Hi everyone, I am Rebecca Watkins and I'm super excited to be once again hosting another episode of We Will Win, brought to you by MyScart. We are here today to spread some joy, some positivity in these times. And today with me I have an amazing performer. He is not only is he one of the best illusionists in India today, he is also a ex-naval officer, a recipient of the Karamveer Chakra, and he's been performing his illusion act for over 15 years. You would have probably seen him on your TV screens on India's Got Talent. Please join me in welcoming Clifford Parekh. Clifford, hi, welcome.
Hi.
Hi, so nice to have you with us today. I'm so excited to be talking to you.
Thank you so much. Same here.
What has your lockdown experience been like? What have you been up to? Maybe, I think for me, it's been personally a lot of... I've been trying to get into things like meditation, which I don't have time for. Normally, I've been trying to get into things like reinventing ourselves, so when we get back on stage, we can do an even better job than before, come back bigger and better. What's it been like for you?
Actually, I also wanted to do certain things, but finally I, came back to magic, which is my passion. And, conditions really push you and, you start thinking out of the box. So I started thinking how to do things online on magic.
Oh, how fantastic. Maybe one day I will join in on that and everyone watching as well. So, like you're saying, a lot of people are reinventing themselves and stuff. And you've been doing a lot of new magic tricks, I suppose. Have you been practicing new tricks?
Yeah, that also I've been practicing new tricks and it has been a real, rediscovery of yourselves. I also did a live show online, which I was surprised myself because I thought magic is supposed to be a live art.
So, Clifford, could you show me like one of the tricks that maybe you did in your show, your online show?
Sure. So let me show you something which you can do across the screen,
Okay.
So Rebecca, there's something called as telepathy, that is connection between two minds.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do, we are going to try to connect through the screen and I'm going to try to connect to your mind. It sounds very strange, but we're going to try it, okay?
Okay.
So are you ready for that?
So yes.
Okay.
I am excited, Clifford. Looking forward to it.
Okay, fine. So let's do this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use a packet of cards here. And can you see my table, Rebecca, through the screen?
Yeah, I can see the top of the table.
Yeah, fine. So I've got a pack of cards here. And what I've done, Rebecca, this is the packet. I'm going to keep this packet here on the table, right here in front of you.
Okay.
And here at the back, I have written numbers on the cards,
Okay.
Yeah, each card has got a different number. Like this is 9, okay? Can you see the 9 there?
Yeah.
Like that we have got all the cards with different numbers here. Yeah, you can see that, right?
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah. So every card has got a different number, correct?
Okay.
Now you don't know the number, which card has got which number.
No.
But I know it.
Okay.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep this packet right here on the table. You can see the packet. I'm not going to change it. You can see it, or is it out of your screen?
No, I can see it.
You can see it. Good. Now I'm going to send you something. I'm going to ask you, Rebecca. There is a card which is called the Two of Clubs. That's how it looks. It's a black card.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you see that Two of Clubs drawn there?
Mm-hmm.
It's a black card.
Okay.
In this packet there is a Two of Clubs.
Okay.
And behind that there is a number.
Okay.
You don't know the number, I know it.
Alright.
I'm going to send you that number. All you need to do is just relax. Don't worry if it's right or wrong. Just keep your mind relaxed, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, at the count of 3 you're going to receive a number, but just to make this easy, I want to tell you that this number is an even number and it is greater than 26.
Okay.
That means even numbers are those numbers which you can divide by 2. So it could be 28, 30, 32. You can only go till 52 because there are only 52 cards.
Yeah.
So the first even number greater than 26 that comes to your mind at the count of 3, you're just going to say that number, that's all.
Okay.
You're not going to be worried if it's right or wrong because that spoils the whole trick. You need to just relax, okay?
Okay.
You need
greater
to
than 20 you said, right?
26, greater than 26.
Okay.
Whatever number comes, you just got to say it, that's all. 1. Even number greater than 26. 2. 3.
44?
44? Are you
that's
sure?
What came to me.
Oh my god. That's the number I've written, right?
Okay,
44. The number you said I wrote, right? I didn't write anything else.
Yes.
Okay.
I said 44.
44. There is another card, Rebecca. It's called the Queen of Diamonds. See, that's how it looks, the Queen of Diamonds. It's a red card. Behind that, there is a number in this packet. but that's an odd number and it's less than 26.
Alright.
So I'm going to snap my finger at the count of 3. The first number that you receive in your head, odd number less than 26. You're just going to speak it out. 1, 2, 3.
19.
19. Okay, fine. So here we go. I've written 19 here. Can you see I've written what you say there?
Yes.
19, right?
Yes.
Now, Rebecca, there is a card which has 37 written behind it.
Okay.
Now, 37 written behind it, there is one card. It can't be the 2 of clubs, it can't be the Queen of diamonds because they are eliminated.
Okay.
So I want you, the first card that comes to your mind when I snap my finger, you just have to speak it out. But it cannot be the 2 of club, it cannot be the Queen of diamonds. Don't forget that.
Okay. Okay.
1, 2, 3, go ahead.
3 of hearts.
3 of hearts?
Yeah, this is stressful for me.
Oh my goodness, I hope it's good. I mean, you can't go wrong on TV, can you? My goodness, it'll be really crazy. So there we are, Rebecca, all your numbers here?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm not going to remove this. I'm just going to stand up. I'm going to go out of frame. But you can see this here, right? 44 and 19, I'm going to take that out, okay? From
Okay.
here. Yeah, those were the numbers, right?
Yes.
So 44 and 19. When you see it, say stop if you see 44 or 19.
Okay.
If you see it, just say stop. I'm going to go a little. Yeah, we got 44, right? I keep it here, Rebecca. Can you see that?
I can see 44.
Yeah, then I go 19, okay? I go to search for 19 because that was the number you said.
Okay.
That's 19, Rebecca.
That's 19.
Correct? And the card you said was the 3 of hearts.
3 of hearts.
Yeah? So
37.
I'm going to take out the 3 of hearts as well. If you see it, help me. That's the 3 of hearts, right?
I can see the hearts, but I can't see the number.
Yeah, I'll come to you. That's the 3 of hearts. I come to you very close, right there. Now, this I've kept you for memory so you don't forget what you said because it's written here. Now, the first thing I asked you, 2 of clubs. You said number 44, don't forget.
Yes.
And I said there is a card called the 2 of clubs. You said 44.
No way.
After that, I said there is a card called the Queen of Diamonds. Behind that, there is a number. You said 19.
19.
Do you remember?
Yes. No way. This is crazy.
Rebecca.
It's like literally.
Yeah, after that, you could have said any card. You could have said any card. There were 50 cards left, okay?
Yes.
I said behind one card, there is the number 37. And you said 3 of hearts, your free choice.
Yes. Oh my gosh, this is crazy, Clifford. I mean, literally, I got goosebumps. I mean, you're not here to see it, but that's the crazy thing. You've just blown my mind, like literally blown my mind.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
You know what, Clifford? I think I'm going to join your online class because now I want to know how you do this.
Yeah, of course. Anytime. It'll be a
I was
pleasure.
just about to ask you that, in this scenario, considering this, what do you think about MyScart as a platform? It's a new platform that's come out. What is your opinion about MyScart?
Yeah, I think it's a fantastic idea. I've traveled so many places. I go to do a lot of magic stuff. I go to magic conferences all over the world, Japan, US, Canada. And I realized, this concept is there in other countries, but I used to think, why is not there in our country, in India? And this is something which is fantastic and it's such a great breakthrough. So MyScart is, a one stop for everything a client is looking at, right?
Yes.
Right from events, right from the hotel he has to hire, right from
Venue
the
itself,
the artist, what group activity. So everything he at the click of a button he has a choice to choose from so many things. So it's such a fantastic platform, and I'm so glad I've joined it. And I will also advise the other artists to join it. So I think MyScart is the best thing that could happen to an artist as well as an industry, as well as the entertainment industry.
Absolutely. And I'm also super excited to be a part of MyScart, and you sound like you're really excited. We're waiting to see this actually launched and see it out there. So everyone do remember, click on the social media icons that you see and check out MyScart for yourself if you haven't yet already. Clifford, thank you so much. It's been really, really great talking to you. Lovely seeing your tricks, and I'm definitely going to check it out online, check out some of your classes as well when I get some time.
Thank you so much.
Thank
It's a
you.
pleasure seeing you online. Thank you so much, Rebecca.
Pleasure talking to you, Clifford. Thanks.
Bye-bye.